All right, guys. Now I'm going to Hanoi train street. Where?
And some horrible people, they leave their phone next to the track just to get the train. I mean, the people will train it. 30 minutes train comes and the train back. Hey, 30 minutes.
In 100 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Còn mẹ ông vừa nói xong làm sao đấy mà
All right, guys. This is all right, guys. This is
Your destination is on the right.
Hanoi train street. Right, you see there? I'm gonna wait until train comes. Record it. Let's go to the shop and see what they sell.
Hai cách đây ngồi này luôn có hai cách đi xong.
People are sitting here and waiting for the train. I need to get a seat. You have sugarcane juice? Sugarcane juice. everyone. Do you know sugarcane juice? You have sugarcane?
Excuse me, you sit here, you sit here. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Look at how close we are. We're very close to the new track. Train almost coming. Everyone is well. They're giving one and train's almost coming. Everyone is excited. Train almost coming. We wanted everyone to get off the wheelchair. Like 5 more minutes, I guess. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. All right. See the train right there? Train's coming. It's about like about 2 feet. Right here and here, 2 feet away from us. No sugar. I don't like sugar. It's a little bit sweet.
No sugar.
No sugar, huh?
No sugar.
Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. Okay. What's my meat? My meat no coming. Oh, eggs are sweet, huh? Egg American not sweet. Yeah, some people are leaving after they see the train. I didn't eat my meal. Hey guys, this is egg coffee. This is the first time I tried it. I ordered without sugar, but it's still sweet a little bit. It's still the sweet come from the egg. Without sugar, still sweet. Egg coffee. Mix it up. Okay, so coffee come out. Okay, here we go. Vietnamese egg coffee. Look at the track here. People are taking pictures.
Open now. I'm driver. And go now War Museum, Prison Museum.
I go already.
Fire art and Hello Prison, many people, war.
I go already.
Here, Temple Literature and Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum Museum and Citadel and Temple Literature open now. Yeah, open now. And here.
Here, Ho Chi Minh, Temple Literature, here, open now.
Open now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tell you now, compact. Yeah.
So how much you charge?
Rao.
How much?
Rao. Here.
How much?
Vietnam đồng. Fine. And go
Five.
here.
Five what?
Yeah.
What's the five?
Maybe 1 hour. 1 hour, compact here.
What is the five?
500 1 hour. 500 Vietnam money. 1 hour.
500.
Yeah.
500,000.
1 hour. Yeah. 1 hour. Many here. Rao. Yeah. Good photo picture.
500,000.
Yeah. Here. Now. Here. 10 cents. Very fast. Very cheap. 1 hour. Many kilometers. 1 hour. Here. Rao. Here. And compact here.
Oh.
Yeah.
So only like this one?
Yeah. And compact. Okay. Here. Here. One way. Four. No more. Four.
No. I want to see right here first.
No. 8 p.m. here. 8 p.m. 10.
Yeah, I just want to see the store first. I want to go first.
Okay.
See.
Three.
No, I will see and come back. I want to go see right here. Come back. Only driving around 500,000. What for? I can walk around myself and do nothing. I can see better. They try to make money. I got no benefit. I want to see around here. I didn't see it. What the heck? Gotta watch store because store right here.
Mira de fica.
でも言い方がめっちゃベトナムだった。
Okay.
Gì tới cho chị?
Yeah. What I see mostly European. European in Russia. I don't see anyone from the state. Smoke. What the heck?
Yeah, yep. Yeah.
No, breathe. Smoke. I don't know where the hell I'm going. Just walking along the track.
Chỉ có 6-7 người thôi. Con lên 4 cái đi.
It's a good compared to where I come from.
4 cái đi, không thì 2 cái là 2 phải không?
She's working hard. Cleaning the shoe. Let me go down there.